this is Warren. Welcome back. This is video part 2. We're going to solve all the ground white and the first level. So let's start now. Scramble. First, find yellow center, like this. Make the side white, like this. After you get a daisy flower, place them at the roof. Look at this color. It's blue. We're gonna find blue at the center. After that, we're gonna turn the front side 2 times. The code is F2. Now you see the white is at the bottom. Next, we're going to do this white side, and we face it here. Find the center orange color, enter, and use the code F2. Now see, the white is at the bottom again. Next step, we're going to do this white side. See, this color is green. So find the center that is green color. After that, turn F2 again. Now the white is at the bottom. The last one is this white side. So we're gonna face it. Then we find the center that is red color. And turn F2 again. Now it's already white cross. Remember, we always put white at the bottom and yellow center on top. Now we want all white to the bottom. So how to do it? We find white at level 3. Let's solve the white at the left edge. Take a look here. What color is this? Right, it's green. So we're gonna find green at the center, like this. Then you use the code U prime L prime U L. See, now the white is at the bottom. Now let's solve the white at the right edge. Now let's check. This is green and this is green at the center. This is really correct. If the white at the right edge, we use the code U R U prime R prime. Now the white is at the bottom too. Now let's check level 3. Is there any more white? Yeah, here they are. So you do the same. Check this color. It is different. This is really correct. That is called U R U prime R prime. Now the white is at the bottom. Now let's check level 1. Do you have white edge at the left like mine? If so, you hide it in your right palm and then use the code R U R prime. Now the white goes to level 3. So we do it like just now. Check the color here. It's blue. So we have to find blue center. And the code is U prime If you have white at your level 1 at your right edge, hide with left palm and then use the code L prime, U prime, L. If you have white on the roof, like example here, and you want the white to go down here, then use the code R, U2, R prime. See? Now we already solved all bottom white and first level complete. Please watch the next video, part 3, to solve level 2. Thank you for watching my video. See you later. Goodbye.